Hello, today we're going to demoify in Plaser. It is developed by Tarang Kaudia. So I think it's no, I'm sure it's a blog theme. So blog and magazine targeted theme. It has a creative design. So the current version is 1.0.3. So we're going to demodify this theme. So let's get it started. So first of all, we need to go to the appearance, themes, add new. Okay, we can search here Plaser. So yeah, that's it. So install it. It will take few seconds. So yeah, it supports right sidebar, theme options, 2 columns, and custom background, custom colors. So yes, it's already installed. So now we can activate it. So that's it. So first look, we can check from here. So this is the look. As you can see in the screenshot of the Plaser theme. So we have to add menu. Okay, so a few posts, and this is the sidebar, and that's the footer. Okay, that's great. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go to the customize, or you can go alternatively in the dashboard and appearance and customize. So from here we can change in logo. We can add logo. Let's see if it's work or not. So logo. Okay, script cropping. So as you can see, the logo doesn't look good as the background of the design is dark blue. Okay, so okay, we can change the background to white. And okay, so go to the background options. Okay, background image, theme options. Okay, layout and design, sorry, colors. Okay, background color. So we can pick this color. It's not completely white, so we can paste it here. So some mistake is there. Okay, sorry, maybe I picked the wrong one. Okay, so it's clearly in a white color, so we just have to use the FFF. Why it's not changing? So it doesn't look good, so it's the design is forceful, so I just leave the logo. I'll remove the logo. It doesn't look good. Plaser demodify, testing the laser thing. Okay, so it has a custom font style, so you can use a favicon. So I'll go to the header image. You can add some header image here. Let me test out this one. Okay, this looks good. Or maybe this one. So I'll go for this. So header image, I don't think so it looks good. So I'll just leave it now. So I'll go to the background image. So you can choose the background image. Okay, I don't have the background image, like kinda. So I'll just go to theme option, layout and design. So right sidebar, we can choose left sidebar, or so we have these options. So even we can have no sidebar, Okay, that's cool. Okay, but for now I'll just go with the default right sidebar. Okay, enable disable sticky sidebar. So it has a sticky sidebar. So I'll just skip this one. And in that case, we have non-sticky sidebar. Okay. And we have the copyright. So there's options to change the copyright. So you can change the copyright. All right, is up 2018 demify. Okay. So yes, that's the change. You can change from here. Okay, meta tags. So we can hide the meta tags from here. So generally meta tags represents okay. Okay, let's add the top menu. As you can see, this one, so we can add from here. So it's a header, or we can say just top menu. Okay, so we can select the primary one. We can add menu, some demo. Okay, we can add customs links like contact us, about us, or later we can change with the corresponding pages. Okay, I'll just remove the sample page. So we have the menu that okay, that's really looks cool. Okay, and next one is widgets. So we have the sidebar widgets. We can remove some of the non-essential things, like we can remove, so that's one will be removed. Okay, that's that works fine. So we have the widget option 1 2 3, I guess. So let's test it. So we can add search. Okay, yes, that's the search. Okay, similarly we can add in the second widgets. I just use a tag cloud, and in the footer 3 I just add recent comments. Okay, so yes, we have recent comments search, and I think one thing is missing here. That's footer 2 have a tag cloud, so I don't think so there is a tag cloud. So I just use navigations, top menu. Yeah, so that's the menu here. So we have one visit, two visit, and third visit. So just add some title here, navigation, so it will look similar to this one. So search is in the top, so I'll just add something that will make it look good. Okay, maybe some custom text widget. Okay, let me, yes, there it is. Okay, I just put to the top about the, or maybe you can add to modify. We are a great company. So you can add something here. Okay, so we have search, we have some text. So yes, the theme is really fine, but it lacks in the designing quality, like the font text doesn't look okay. So we have 3 widgets in the footer. We have sidebar, and we have top menu, and in whole it looks kind of okay theme. So we can have an additional CSS. Okay, so I think that's fine. Okay, that's it. So we can publish. Yes, it's done. We can close, and we can check it. Yes, that's the demo. Okay, that's the clean demo. So we can add a new blog post. So some content goes here. So we can add some category, some category. Okay, some tags. Okay, tags 1, tags 2. Okay, we can add feature image. So I'll just go with this one, or maybe I'll add a new one, this one. Okay, that's cool. So let's publish it, and okay, that's it. Okay, let's check out the demo. Yeah, it has a hover effect on the image. Okay, the theme is packed with pink and a dark blue color. So here is the top, bottom to top navigation. Here is the menu. So theme is okay. So we have tags now. Okay, so let's go to the home page. Okay, so overall look of this design. So to see the this kind of pattern, we need to add in a few more posts, so it will be fine. So that's it. So I'll rate this theme to around 3 to 4. So it's good for a personal blog.